Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Do you often find yourself making the grammatical mistakes, or do you also become unsure about the sentence structure? Well, if that sounds familiar, then our Grammar Checker AI tool is here to help. In this video, we will introduce you to this AI-powered tool that checks grammar, spelling, punctuation, and offers every advanced suggestion to improve your writing and makes your communication way clearer. Well, to access this tool, you have to click on this tool named Grammar Checker. Once you find it, click on it, and all that you have to do is you have to paste the original text that you wrote. So I wrote about my favorite day with my mother on Mother's Day, and now I need to share it with a friend of mine. I'm unsure. I doubt if the tense is correct, the English is correct, like we have gone to the park and he was having a picnic, etc. But I am, relaxed because I'm going to click on generate and it will show me the correct grammar in seconds. And here the magic is done. See, it has also added a great title to what I had written, and it has fixed all my grammatical errors. Fantastic, isn't it? Well, thanks for watching. Try the Grammar Checker tool today at Academiq AI and take your writing to the next level. Yes, happy